The other thing I wanted to talk about real quickly, earlier I mentioned that there are certain builder microbes that can make vitamins, make hormones and neurotransmitters. I kind of want to talk about those again for a quick second. The microbiome is very closely related to the brain. Embedded in the wall of the gut, there is what's called the ENS, which it works kind of independently of itself, but also it works with the brain. It's kind of your second brain. This is where the terms like gut instinct, butterflies in your stomach, nervous stomach comes from. This is your second brain, this ENS. It's the enteric nervous system is what it's called. Basically, this is a second brain that has 500 million neurons in it. It doesn't make like executive decisions like your head brain does, but through hormones, neurotransmitters, electrical impulses, it does communicate with your main brain along a very big pathway of nerves. This is like a two-way communication, okay? So your head brain talks to your gut brain and your gut brain talks to your head brain. It's a two-way talk there. So this is why it's not uncommon to see so many people, so many studies, so many experts talking about how mental health affects gut health affects mental health. And this is why, studies are even showing that poor gut health can lead to different pretty severe neurological disorders. These gut microbes in the ENS, they secrete and produce hormones, neurotransmitters. Okay, so what are some of the hormones that are produced by the gut microbiome? Well, for starters, 90% of your serotonin, which is your mood boosting, your happy hormone, 90% of serotonin is produced in the gut. The gut-brain connection is dependent on serotonin. The gut also produces dopamine, which plays a role in motivation and reward. So these types of things, the microbes in the gut and the gut brain is very important when it comes to overall happiness. It all goes back to that ENS, that second brain, and the vagus nerve. The vagus nerve is that super highway that stretches from your head brain down to your intestines. There's colonies of good guys, good microbes, good bacteria that interact with the nervous system and the brain along this super highway that sends messages, receives messages. What's interesting is that the gut brain uses more than 30 neurotransmitters, just like the brain that's in your head. Gut microbes also play an important role in the production of GABA, which blocks impulses between nerve cells in the brain. So you don't get that too excited. It has like a calming effect, which can explain why a deficiency and not having enough GABA can be related to different anxiety disorders. Because gut microbes can produce these and other neurotransmitters, probiotics can be very beneficial sometimes for mood issues as well. So if you're struggling in that area, this is definitely something that you're going to want to talk to your doctor about. And I'm going to post studies on this too, so you have information that you can sift through. But a good tool that I personally take for this is another product called Plexus VitalBiome. VitalBiome has 8 different strains. These are different from the Probio 5 strains, but they are proven to reduce feelings of stress and anxiety. So these strains are specific to mood. Now, that being said, the Plexus VitalBiome is not meant to be a replacement for Probio 5. It's more of a sister companion. So if you think of it, like I said before, the diversity of strains is very important when it comes to a healthy microbiome. So you have 5 strains in the Plexus Probio 5, but then you have another 8 strains in the VitalBiome that is contributing a lot of different types of good guys to the city, the microbial city. So you have a lot of different workers doing a lot of different jobs. Okay, so I am going to stop there. I have gone over quite a bit regarding the microbial city. Okay, I'm going to stop there for now, and I'm going to pick up in the next video and kind of continue with this a little bit and then move into another product that Plexus offers that works kind of in conjunction with this. And as you'll see in the next video, the first 3 products that I've chosen to talk about all have a very synergistic effect when taken together, and I will talk about that as well. But for now, we have gone kind of long, so I'm going to stop. But I'm going to, like I said before, I'm going to post the studies that I've referenced in this so that you have proof that what I'm saying to you is legit and it's true. I also am going to post some more like ingredients labels and things like that that you can look through regarding the products. So if this is an area where you feel like you're struggling and you need more help, you can read through this, you can take it to your doctor, and you'll have more information so you can make an informed decision. If you have any questions at any point when you're looking over this information, please do not hesitate for a second to reach out to me and ask. You can either comment on whatever the post is or just send me a private message even, and I'll be happy to help you in any way I can. So still, the contest is still going on also, so make sure you're commenting in some way on the post, because the people who participate the most are going to be entered into a drawing for free Plexus products. So make sure you're being active and participating. Again, like I said before, you're only going to get out of this group what you put into it. So I encourage you to not only watch the videos and read through the information, but comment, ask questions, that type of thing. So, all right, I am going to stop there. I hope you guys learned a lot this time, and I will see you in the next video. Okay, bye-bye. Take care.